All right, so we're looking at angle bisector now, which is another one of our special segments. And an angle bisector is a ray segment line that divides an angle into two congruent adjacent angles. So if I were to have this here, I would draw an angle bisector right here. And they say ray, it could be a segment. So there's an angle bisector. This red one bisects that angle. You see how I've marked it the same, okay? Then I'm going to bisect this angle. So there's the pink one. The pink one bisects this angle. So whatever this angle is, that angle's the same. And then we've got one more that we're going to bisect, and we're going to bisect this angle. Okay. So these two angles are the same. Okay, so notice these don't hit midpoints. Angle bisector has nothing to do with midpoint. It just cuts an angle in half. It just cuts the angles in half. That's all angle bisector does. They will all intersect, okay, at the center. The blank of the three angle bisectors, okay, is the incenter. Okay, the point of intersection is what this is. So where they all intersect is the incenter. So that's the incenter. Now what the heck is an incenter? Well, the incenter is the center of the circle that you can draw inside the triangle. If I were to take the incenter and go at a 90-degree angle to each side, which I'm not going to require you to do, but just FYI, that's where the circle will touch the triangle. As you can tell, I'm an awesome artist. So that's why it's called the incenter. It's the center of the circle inside the triangle. So let's look at the next question here. It says AD is an angle bisector of ABC. Okay, AD is an angle bisector of ABC. So if AD is an angle bisector, what does that mean? It cuts it in half. So I'm going to mark those two guys the same. Label the picture, which I just did. Angle BAD, which is this one, is congruent to angle CAD, which is this one, because it's an angle bisector. Has nothing to do with midpoint or 90 degrees, it's just an angle bisector. So this one says, if BAD is 15x plus 9, that's this angle, and CAD is 12x plus 27, that's this angle, how do I find the measure of each one? Well, what do you know? It's an angle bisector, so what does that mean? It's cut in half, which means what about BAD and CAD? They're congruent. So 15x plus 9 should equal 12x plus 27. So now what we're going to do is we're going to solve. So I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides. So 3x plus 9 equals 27. Then I'm going to subtract the 9 from both sides. So 3x equals 18. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. I'm just doing algebra. So x is equal to 6. Now x is 6, and so what does that mean the measures of the angles are? Well, you know the angles are the same. So I can plug 6 into either one. I can either plug it in here, or I can plug it in here. Either way, okay? I'll pick this one, 15x. I'll do this one. So 15 times x, which is 6, plus 9, that's 90 plus 9 equals 99 degrees. Now if you want to know that you have the correct answer, plug it in here as well and see if you get the same thing. 12 times 6 plus 27 should also give you 99. So 12 times 6 is 72 plus 27 is 99 degrees. So you do have the correct answer, and that's how you do angle bisector.